So when you're quarantined in the house, all you gotta do is get a scissor, a wig, and cut it. Divas, I wanted to do something different to this bob wig that I did cut. If you ladies did not go and check out my previous video on this haircut, I will leave it up top so you ladies could go and definitely check it out. But I feel like I want to change the color. I did go into my stash and I was able to find 3 colors of the Revlon Color Silk in the number 45. So I probably won't even be needing all 3 boxes of dye because this is a bob wig. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So all the items you're gonna need is your wig, of course, the color of choice, plastic bag, comb, and some gloves. So what come in a box? Your developer, conditioner, as well as your color. And you do need a pair of scissors to cut the top. Now, what I'm thinking to spice this up, y'all know me, I like to experiment. So I'm going to take some of this Adore Ginger and mix it into this, and see how it turns out. Y'all know I'm doing this the lazy girl way because I normally line my table with some saran wrap. I'm not even doing that right about now. So y'all, I'm gonna let this sit for 45 minutes to an hour, and I will be back. like the color is not picking up properly on camera, but it's whatever. I'll probably take a couple of pictures and put them at the end, or just use whatever pictures I take as my thumbnail. What I'm going to be doing to this wig is basically feathering the front and just curling it and, you know, styling it and stuff. So the things you're going to need is some got to be glue freeze spray, a rat tail comb, as well as a wide teeth comb, a razor comb, your flat iron, and curlers, and some scissors. is the finished result. I had to do the right side off a camera because I was struggling trying to look in that small mirror. The only thing about doing a hair color the lazy way is you are going to tint your lace. So I was having a little struggle when it came to the demarcation between my actual skin and the lace. So I had to put a whole bunch of concealer and stuff like that in the part. But I made it work. But overall, I love how the color turned out. For some reason, the camera is not really picking up the color. But I love how it looked. I love the little feather look it got going on. It looked really different from the first time I did the haircut up until now. So if you ladies enjoy this video, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell next to that subscribe button and turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.